This is very nice and our van. See this color. This is very nice. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel with a new video. Friends, you can see now I am beside a paddy field. Wow, this is very nice and beautiful place. Oh, friends, you can see here a full box of toys. See, all are nice and beautiful color combination. So friends, now I will introduce with you all of these toy vehicles one by one. Let's go. At first I take a big size police helicopter. See friend, this is very nice white, blue and black color combination 911 emergency police helicopter. See this realistic model plastic helicopter. So I collect this one at my side here. And next one is a dirt bike. See, this is very nice realistic model dirt bike. White, red and blue color combination, this nice bike. And this one is a metro rail. Wow, this is a cartoony model 6-wheeler metro rail. This is a red and white color combination. This metro rail is very nice and beautiful cartoony model. So I collect this one here. And this one is a Saqib cover van. Wow, this is very nice and realistic model Saqib cover van. See this color, this is a red, black and yellow color combination, this nice van. So I collect this one here. And now I take a power vehicle. See, this is a yellow black color combination, this nice model power vehicle. So I collect this one here. And this one is a DS Tarzan car. See, this is a paste black and pink color combination, this realistic model DS Tarzan car. Oh, this one is realistic model RAV Jeep. See, this is a red and black color combination, nice model RAV Jeep. So I collect this one here. Wow, friends, this is very nice and my favorite luxurious car. This is a red, black and silver color combination. Car is very nice and beautiful realistic model. So I collect this one here. And you can see this one is a cartoony model car. Green, black and silver color combination cartoony model car. Here is many cartoony sticker. Wow. Oh, this is a Feluda. See, this is a red, black and silver color combination Feluda. This is also realistic model. So I collect this one here. And now I take a 910 plastic cartoony police car. This is very nice green, black and silver color combination, this car. And this is also cartoony model Jeep, 4-wheeler Jeep. This is a pink, green and yellow color combination, this nice Jeep. Wow. And this is the last one, is a fast food delivery car. You can see this is very nice and realistic model fast food delivery car. Here is many food sticker. See, wow. So friends, one by one all of these toy vehicles introduced with you. You can see all of toy vehicles here and this bucket is empty. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you will subscribe our channel. Tata, bye bye.